and
You're
again.
live.
All right, this is week 3 of 4 weeks of country swing two-step. This is our first week of country swing. We're working on our country swing combo number 1. And so we're going to start in open position, and we're going to start with some basics, just to one side. So I'm going to step. We're both going to step with the same leg and pivot, and then we're going to step and pivot again. This is where I'm going to do a figure 8. I'm going to come up and over, stepping kind of back into that basic motion. So here we are. We've landed like this, okay? My hand is behind her neck, her hand is behind mine. We're going to release, we're going to slide. We're going to catch at those fingertips, okay? Fingertips are very important. And she's going to do an inside turn as I walk around. I'm going to offer her my hand as I open up like Pac-Man and walk in to commence an infinity turn. She goes, and then I go. Try not to turn at the same time. We're going to switch directions. So I'm just going to, switch. And I can switch directions on myself. Okay. And then I'm going to break. This is where the break happens. Okay. So then I'm going to start a cross-handed turn. That means I'm going to sweep both of her hands up into the air and over. She's going to go under, and I'm going to break. And then I'm going to do the same thing, coming back. And then I'm going to break again, dropping my left hand. And I'm going to give her 1, 2, 3 spins before I break again. Notice that I constantly am walking and revolving around her. And that is as far as we've got. But do you guys want to see that dip that we learned? Absolutely. So again, it's a five-part dip, right? You have your inside turn, your waist, your neck, your lunge, and your dip. I'll do it from a couple different angles, okay? I'm going to go this way. I'm going to do an inside turn. I'm going to grab her waist. I'm going to bring her hand behind my neck. I'm going to lunge to the left, and we're going to lunge and come up from the lunge. Okay, I'll do it again from a different angle. Inside turn, I'm going to grab her waist, put her hand behind my neck, lunge, and dip, and bring her back up. Well done, Nanette. And that is good.